Hello my BBs and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in with another makeup video. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you guys had a great day. Blessings and love from me to you. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you guys please hit that subscribe button, that notification bell so you will know each and every time I upload a video. And let's get started. So I want to do a natural, I wouldn't say a soft glam, but it's most like natural everyday look where you can just get up and go out the door without worrying about putting on a whole bunch of makeup and taking forever in a year like I do just to get up out the door to start my day. So for those who know, I am suffering really bad with acne. For the past couple of months, it's actually been doing really good because I haven't been wearing too much makeup and I've been letting my face breathe. I've been letting my face breathe, so that's why I haven't been having any breakouts lately. Since I'm starting back on recording my videos and uploading makeup videos, I noticed I haven't been seeing any breakouts or any blemishes, so that is a good thing. So whatever I'm doing, it is working and I'm going to keep doing it. So I'm going to start off with my color correcting shade, and this is going to be in Radish. Normally, when I'm doing this, I don't go in with this. I'll probably take just a lighter shade just to cancel out. But I'm going to spot correct. I really don't want to put on too much foundation or too much stuff because it's basically like a get out the door and go kind of video. So that's what I'm aiming towards right now. So instead of me using a brush or a beauty blender to blend this out, I like to, excuse my nail, I like to take my hand and just pat that product in and make sure I actually cover my dark spots. I just feel like when you're using a beauty blender or a brush, it takes away some of that product, and that's not what I wanna do, so that's why I'm blending it in with my hands. And don't blend too much because I noticed that when you blend too much, it actually takes away the product as well, but you'll still get a good blend. Normally, I will go ahead and do my eyebrows and my eyes first, but this time I'm going to reverse it this time and I'm going to be doing my foundation and my contouring and concealing first. So I actually got a little dark because I've been in the sun way too much than I should be trying to soak up all that vitamin D. But I'm going to be using my Ilmakiage and I'm going to go in with my Nars foundation, and it's going to be in Marquise's. I haven't actually found a foundation that would actually go with my skin tone. My skin tone, I'm like a yellow undertone, so it's kind of hard for me to actually find a spot-on foundation that is perfect for my skin tone. Of course, you're going to always find a foundation that's a little bit darker or a little bit lighter. I'm going to apply it on the face, but I'm not going to apply too much, and I'm going to avoid underneath my eyes. I'm going to take this beauty blender and I'm just going to start blending that product out. While I'm blending this product out, I'm actually keeping a light hand and I'm staying away from here underneath the eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and start blending that product out on the other side as well and on the lip. If you're trying to get out in and out the door as quick as possible, your beauty blender is going to be the right way to go because it's so much faster than using the brush is what I've learned, because I noticed that when I'm using a brush, I take longer than usual. Time for me to check my sugar. Okay, so we're just going to keep blending. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with concealer. I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in Chestnut. This is a concealer that I always pick up, so I mean, it's not the only one that I have, it's the one that I love the most. I'm going to take a little bit of that product and just place just a little bit underneath the eyes. And we're just going to go here. I'm not going to go all the way out. I'm not going to do any of that because this is going to be our natural tutorial and I want to keep it that way. So now I'm going to take my beauty sponge and I'm just going to start blending and soften it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and do it for the other side as well. So what I'm going to do is take that little Mercier translucent powder just to set that in place so that way it will not crease on me basically. And I'm just going to apply just a little. I'm going to go ahead and take this same one and just apply it to the chin. I'm going to apply just a little bit at the top as well as my forehead. So now we go ahead and take our beauty sponge and just blend that product out. And we're going to blend out the top of the lip. For this step, you really don't have to do this, but because I have a scar there, I want to make sure I cover up that top of the lip. And then we're going to blend out at the top of the forehead and down the center of the nose. So now also, after I'm done doing that, I'm going to take some Mercier translucent powder and I'm just going to set that in place. So now I'm going to take the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in Cocoa and we're going to use that to do a little contouring. So you really don't need that much with this. I'm just going to go a little bit up and I'm just going to add 2 dots there. I'm going to add one here, 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 and 2 here. I'm going to take my beauty sponge and I'm just going to start blending that out. Since I went in with a lot of liquid products, I'm going to go ahead and take powder to set all of that in place. I'm going in with the Thick Mint, and this is by Fenty Beauty. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and start lightly setting that product in place. I'm going to take this and just start applying that to the cheeks and other places where I actually contoured. I still want it to look skin-like and not with too much makeup. So for the nose, we're going to do something light. I'm going to go in with the Fenty. I'm going to take an angular brush and I'm just going to sharpen it up just a little bit. And then take my beauty sponge and just start blending it out. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with blush. I'm going to be using the Lancome and this is in Plumber Fair. I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics just to apply a little bit of that to the cheeks. I definitely got dark. And I'm going to do that for the other side as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. So what I did was I really didn't too much do that much to my eyebrows. Only thing I did was went in with the Morphe and Chocolate Mousse and I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills 14 brush and all I did was just filled in my brows. So instead of me actually doing the line and doing all of that, I just filled them in just to keep them more soft and natural for this look. I'm going to go ahead and go in with eyes. I'm going to be using this Hudabeauty Naughty palette. I've been dying to use this palette for the longest. I didn't know which makeup look that I should do with it, so I just waited until now to do it. I got this when it first came out, and this palette is banging. Some of the stuff that's in this palette, I really don't even know where to start and where to begin with this palette because this that they have right here, I didn't even know what this was until the girl at I got this from Ulta, Sephora. Either way, I forgot where I got it, which one I got it from, but the girl was telling me that this one is to mix the eyeshadows just in case if I wanted them like in a liquid form or whatever the case might be. So that's what she was saying. I don't think I'm going to be using that because I don't think I would know how to use it. So that's why I'm going to leave that exactly how it is. I'm going to go ahead and take a brush. I'm going to actually use, what brush is this? This is actually naked, the naked brush, and this came inside of where? That's sad. I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I literally took the brushes out of them and I don't even know where they belong. I'm going to take, you know what? We're going to go in with Naughty, which is this shade right here, to put that on the lid. And I'm just going to take a little of that and just start placing it all on the lid. It's actually a darker color. I mean, we're still in a natural zone, so it doesn't even matter at this point. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and take this blending brush by BH Cosmetics, and this is in the number 16, and just soften that up just a little bit. So like I said before, I want to keep this as simple as possible. So I'm going to go back inside the same palette, and I'm going to be using Irresistible, which is this beautiful, beautiful, like a pinkish rose gold kind of shade. I'm going to take the brush that I used before, and I'm going to actually use the other side of the brush. I'm going to take just a little bit of that, and we're just going to pop that on the lid. I don't want to get this too far up, so I just want to keep it at the beginning of the waterline and keep it exactly right there. I don't want to move up anymore. And then the other side, I'm going to go ahead and put that color back inside on the lid. I'm not going to be doing a cut crease at all. It's just something soft and simple and something that is easy to do and easy to manage out the door. And we're just going to leave it just like that, soft, simple, and that's about it. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back into that same palette. I'm actually going to use Spicy, which is going to be this shade right here, just to go ahead and put that at the bottom of the lid. I'm going to take a more smaller brush, and we're just going to apply just a little of that to the bottom. I'm going to go ahead now and take this Kiss liquid liner, just to apply that at the top of the eyelid. So I will not be using eyelashes for this look because, like I was saying before, I do want to keep it soft, simple, and natural. And by the way, we're probably like halfway inside the video. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will never have to miss a video. And if you can please, go ahead and follow all of my social medias. And they're going to be linked down below in the description. So now I'm going to go ahead and take their Real Magnet, and this is by Benefit. I like to use this because I noticed that when I put 3 coats of this, my eyelashes look longer and fuller. So this I'm going to be doing on camera with you guys so you can see exactly how this looks. Okay, this is how the brush looks for those who don't know about this product. And now I'm going to go ahead and start applying that to the lashes. My eyelashes go the most weirdest ways. I kid you not. I don't want them too full, so I'm not actually going to do the 3 coats for my lashes. I just want to keep them simple. And already you can actually see a difference from this eye, It looks like I have on soft, short lashes, and they're actually my lashes. They're not that long. They're okay, but they're manageable. And I'm going to go ahead and do that for the bottom of the lash as well. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye. I'll be right back. So I did the other one offline, but not only did I did the other one offline, I actually put some black pencil liner in the waterline. Of course, it's going to be by Kiss. So now I'm going to go ahead into my Kylie highlighter. I'm going to take a little small brush and I'm just going to brighten up the inner eyes just a little bit, but not too much. I'm not going to go up under the brow because I don't want to be too much of a highlight. I'm going to put that at the nose and just a little bit down the bridge of the nose. Just a little bit. Go ahead and take your setting spray just one more time and start spraying that product all over the face. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this look off with some lip gloss. This is Fenty Beauty Fussy. I'm going to take a little of that product and just apply it to the lips. So basically, this was that concept that I was trying to do where I have on makeup, but then I don't have on makeup. It's still that get up and go. It's not too much makeup. It should take at least about 15 to 20 minutes to do this because it really wasn't that much. I didn't want to use too much foundation. I didn't go down to my neck because I feel like me mixing the two foundations together would actually blend both of them in together. And as you can see by my hands, it's still the same color, so I'm not complaining about that. I love the way this look. I love this concept, and a lot of you probably were waiting for me to do something with my lipstick or a pencil, but no, I just wanted to keep it soft and subtle, so that's the reason why I end up going in with only the lip gloss. But I'm really feeling this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below because your opinion really do mean a whole lot to me. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. But until next time, holla!